Good morning, students. How are you all? Students, this is chapter number 1, Lucky and the Giants. And as I explained you the story, now we will start to revise its words meaning. So exercise 1 is write down the meaning of the following words. So what is the word number 1 is timid. Timid means afraid, means not brave. As you know in this story that Lucky is a timid man, but he pretended that as he is the bravest man in the world, but actually he was timid. Timid means not brave. He was very afraid, easily frightened. Desperate means hopeless. A person who has no hope. Okay, desperate means hopeless or disappointed. Discovered. What is the meaning of discovered? Discovered means found, or you can say search. When you search something or when you found something. And the next one is slayer. Slayer mean killer. And as you know in this story, Lucky said himself that he is a slayer, as he write in his sword that he is a slayer. But actually you know in this story that he is a very frightened person. He is a timid person. Okay, the next one is stamping. Stamping means to beat with foot. Students, here you can see Lucky. Okay, he is stamping. So you can see in this picture. Okay, he is stamping his with his foot. So he is stamping here. It means to beat with foot. You can see here in this picture. And the next one is surprised. Surprised means amazed or shocked, as someone who gave us surprised on our birthday or any occasion. Okay, so surprised means shocked. And the next one is grunting. So students, grunting is a sound of an animal. As you see in this story, this was the sound of rhinoceros. Okay, in this story this sound was of a rhinoceros. And snapping is also a sudden bite of an animal. And the next one is dreadful. Dreadful mean horrible. And dwelt mean lived. The next one is scattered. Scattered mean disperse or break up. So student, next one is tremble. Tremble means shake or shiver. When someone very scared and his body is shivering, okay, with fear. So this is shake and shiver. Bumped. Bumped mean to knock it. For example, to hit someone or to knock into. And the next one is savage. Savage mean untamed or wild. As you see in this story, a savage tribe who attacked on the giants. Okay students, next move to question answers. Answer these questions. So what is question number 1 is, what words did Lucky put on his sword? Okay, so you know students, you can see here he wrote on his sword that this is the sword of Lucky, slayer of giants. Slayer. So you can see here what is the meaning of slayer. Slayer of giants mean the killer of giants. Okay students, the next question is, what did he take with him on his journey? He took along his sword and a small bag of flour on his journey. So who chanced to pass while he was sleeping? When he was sleeping, who passed? 7 real giants chanced to pass while he was sleeping. So then what did he do to impress them? When the giants passed there, and they asked the Lucky to show some. So they asked Lucky that we should like to see you perform some great deeds. One of the giants replied. So so what did he do to impress them? So he stamped and stamped, as he showed you in the picture. He stamped. So students, he stamped and stamped on the hidden bag of flour. He hid his flour bag under the ground. So when he stamped and stamped on the hidden bag of flour until the giants were almost hidden in the clouds of white dust. So in this way he impressed the giants. Okay, the next question is, where did Lucky decide to stay for a few weeks? Students, as you know in the story, when he impressed the giants, they were very surprised with the Lucky, and they offered him to live with them. So that's why he decided to live with 7 giants for a few weeks. So the next question is, why did the giants wish to kill the rhinoceros? Why did the giants wish to kill the rhinoceros? This beast means this rhinoceros did so much damage that the giants set out to hunt and kill. So this is the reason they want to kill the rhinoceros, because this beast did so much damage. So that's why they wanted to kill the rhinoceros. So students, today we have done only 6 question answers. Okay, remaining we will do inshallah tomorrow. Students, as you know that now your revisions are started, so please now don't waste your time. Okay, students now learn each and every question answers and every chapter. Okay, as I revised you. And student, if you feel any problem related to this chapter, you can ask me questions, okay, in WhatsApp or in Google Classroom. Take care. Allah Hafiz.